Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to use text to video feature in Hailuo AI. So this is the prompt that I am going to use to create a video. The prompt is a peaceful village surrounded by green hills with cherry blossom trees swaying in the wind, animated in Studio Ghibli style, soft colors and dreamy atmosphere. Okay, so I'm going to copy this prompt. I'll go to Hailuo AI and you have image to video and text to video. So we have used image to video so far. For this particular video, we are going to use text to video. I'm going to paste the prompt here. Okay. So once you paste the prompt, you can select the quantity. If you want 1, 2, 3, 4, you can do it. And it will take 25 credits. And if you want to customize the camera angle, you can click on it and you can customize the camera angle. Let's say for example, I like this camera angle debut. Okay, so I'm going to click on it. See, once you click on it, it will be selected here. So once you are happy with this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on simply create, and it is going to create the video. See, it is in the process of creating the video. It is going to take a minute or two. So what I really want to emphasize is we have to focus on the process of learning to make these videos. Maybe in future there will be, so many other tools like Hailuo AI. Of course, we have so many tools as of now while we speak. But in the future, there will be some other tool because AI is advancing so rapidly or so quickly. There will be so many tools coming up in future. But if you understand the process, if you understand the basics, if you understand the technology, then it doesn't matter whichever platform or whichever site would come up in future. If you have the knowledge, you can generate videos without any problems. So in this course, I am focusing on giving knowledge. So once you have this knowledge, you can take this knowledge to any other platform or any other tool with which you can generate AI videos. And also, to be honest, I have created a lot of videos. I have tested a lot, and okay, seems like the video is created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it. See, this is how the video looks like. It looks really nice. So if you want to download, you can download. If you want to recreate, if you're not satisfied, if you want to recreate, click on recreate. It is going to recreate again. And these are the other options to post, share and all. So I'm going to click back. Alright, so we have successfully used text to video. So this is another feature that we can use in Hailuo AI. If you are curious about it, you can use it. And if you see here, there is an option called image here. So right now, Hailuo AI has got an option to generate image from this tool itself. Okay, so it has come up with new feature to create images from this tool itself. You can give the prompt and it is going to create images. But I feel like Piclumen is still really nice, and Piclumen tool is only focused on generating images mainly, so it has got a lot of good options. That's why we are still working on Piclumen tool. But if you feel like you are comfortable with Hailuo AI to generate images, you can work on the same tool for creating images and also for creating videos. And I also want to inform you that if you use Hailuo AI for creating images, it is going to take more credits. It is going to take more credits. But Piclumen is very economical, it's very cheap, and you can create a lot of images and you can do a lot of testing. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.